What's up, everybody? Hopefully you guys having a good day. Let's check out the live real quick, but we're gonna get into the trades real quick. Hopefully this sound is loud enough for you guys. There's gonna be some music in the background. I got the camera set up a little better. I'm gonna set some. All right, cool. We already have this live trades. Bitcoin trading signals. Bitcoin live trade. What's up? Live trading Bitcoin right now. Oh yeah, I got this microphone like a week ago. It was only like $50.
So you're live trading on Bitcoin?
Yeah, I'm live streaming on YouTube.
How many Bitcoins do you have right now?
I have no Bitcoins.
You have Bitcoins, dog?
Well, like I'm managing. I'm doing a FTMO challenge that's gonna hopefully fund me 100K. Hey.
That'd be dope. Yeah. You're into all kinds of shit, and you're an interesting dude.
Oh yeah.
I appreciate you. You're cool.
Thank you. Much love. We got Reese over here. All right. Let's see how the camera's set up. I think that camera's pretty good. Let's adjust the mic. Got some music in the background.
I would need a tie-back suit if I was going in there. Tie-back suit, respirator, gloves. If I was, about 200 gloves, that's hazard.
Got no viewers. Oh well. I wanna.
Under their house, and that's all their shit around their all the shit on the floor, that is all shit on the floor. That happens in our house. We were wondering, my dad went in there, pulled out the wall, and just goes, why would you do that? That's what you heard to do. Don't you? Oh shit! So then I'm like, let's get out of here. Horrible that.
Alright, this doesn't make too much sense. Why it's only one trade. Oh well. I'll enter some shorts. How's it going? Person who just joined. So we're gonna look at the chart real quick. So I need to reset this. I wanna. Oh shit. So we sniped some trades yesterday, and I brought the account to 101,000. And when I wasn't on live, I pulled another K. So we're gonna get into the chart. So this is kind of like a recap of what happened yesterday. We had a little bit of a trough right here. We sniped some of these. Sniped that long entry. I sold a little too soon. I ended up actually shorting right around here. and shorted more right here. And then I got out around here on the short, and then sadly I didn't hold that short because that was an awesome just short all the way straight down here, and I really wish I held that short. So let's make it a little bit easier. So we're at the 236 fib right now. I have one short open. It's a small one. I was gonna probably open up some more shorts, but it's looking like we could start going into bullish territory here if it possibly holds these zones. So let's look at this a little bit clearer picture. So here are some buys and sells and stuff. So this is kind of what I'm expecting. If I pull this up, gonna have a probably a 5-way pullback, which that could be it. We could see probably like 36,000, I'd say, unless we're gonna bounce right now. So if we pull up the cyclicals, which one am I on? I'm on Binance just so I don't lose this one. So if we pull up some other ones, I think this one's a pretty good chart for the cyclicals. So we had sniped these cyclical troughs. Now this is the 2 hour by these half circles. These are some cycles, and we had sniped these bottoms. So right now it's in like kind of a bottom area, I'd say, and we could see us go down a little bit more, but it doesn't really look like that too much. Let's check out this. So we're kind of at the top of the trend on the fib fan. Pretty interesting trades right now. Pretty interesting situation. So let's get back to my live streaming chart. Not this one. But as you can see, we could go back to the 236 fib, which is right there, and be interesting. See what happens. Or we could bounce from the 0.5 up. We could see about 39. This won't be too bad of a long position. Too obvious or short. I had 200 IQ trade. Yeah, so we're gonna get my lot size set up. I'll just do 0.5 lots. That's a pretty good short, I'd say. Just throw one lot right at the top. I just smack that. Let's go see. It'll probably keep off or not. Let's go check out the. I'm on the wrong one. Let me turn down my volume so it's not too loud for you guys. Hopefully you guys still hear. So we're coming up to 382. Looks like it's probably gonna reject that. So we're gonna slap some shorts right here. Hopefully get into profit. There we go. Looking pretty nice. Now actually, let's set up my. Oh, awesome. This is an auto Elliott wave thingamabobber and showing the Elliots. So let's set up some cycles. Let's probably set it up from, because we still have these cycles, but after a while sometimes they like get skewed a little bit. I like to get like the previous data. So this one's kind of accurate with it showing a bottom right here and a kind of a top right here, but I don't really like that too much. Let's check something like this out. See how this one looks. So that one looks pretty nice. So we actually could be bouncing from here. I'm probably gonna try and close these, but I'm in a decent little profit, which is nice. Probably gonna hold some of these shorts. See what happens. I don't really want to add too many more. I want to hold at the top. Watch, I'll pass my account. Too obvious or short. Slam 1.3, then dump. 1.3. What is he talking about? 1.3. At 1.3, 39.70. Because that doesn't look like too bad. I think those are his shorts and those are his longs. You know. Let's see. Let's see his positions. He sells at 38.5. 38.5. 38.5. Oh yeah, his shorts are way down there. Let's check this out. And his buys are 38.9. Entering some nice profit right now, $200 profit. Beautiful short. Alright. I might end up buying some lots right here. 1, 2, 3. Just to hedge a little bit. And maybe make some money on the long. I probably should have closed my so I have 4 open there. I should have had 4 right there, but we'll see what happens. So I should have probably taken the profit and the short, but I'll take the profit on the long and then close the short later. But I do that flip flopped. I really shouldn't be trying to hedge a position. I'm honestly probably just gonna try and get out of these long positions soon. But I'll see what happens once we get around here. When we get around here, if we break out, I'm holding these longs. So we can see the cyclical. It's a little bottom here, and we're coming into a bottom right here. Now some of these these fibs I need to remove because this is just annoying at this point. So we're at the 236 fib. We're gonna probably dump from it, yeah. So I'm gonna look to close these buys right now. Boom, boom, boom. Close the buys. All right, and I'm still in profit on the shorts. Now, hopefully, it rejects this 236. All right, it's going above the 236, rejecting, wicking above. We have 7 more seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens. See what my friend said, if he said anything. 200 IQ trade. I think he's joking when he says that. 200 IQ trade. I don't know how. So those are his short, and those are his buys. All right, yeah, I should have held those buys, but we'll see what happens here. Honestly, so looking at this, I believe we could come back to around here based on this structure right around here. Here's an area I'm looking to take profit. Let's make some trend lines, see what's up with the trend. So kind of like right there, we're in this range. Yeah, I probably should have colored those shorts when I hit this line right there. Hit perfectly on this line I had set up. Getting a little close to my targets. I could always set my stop losses right here. Stop loss right here. Honestly, I probably should move them up a little bit. What would that make me lose? Like $10? $12? Yeah. I want to get all of them set. So that's all 3. All 3 have sell losses? No. It might be this one I didn't set. Sell loss, sell loss. You know, we could see a bounce. I should have probably held those longs. So this one isn't set, but we'll see what happens. How's it going? Whoever's in the chat. How's it going, everyone? I mean, there's only 2 people, so it's not really many. Looking probably for another short here soon. It's looking like a V. So we hit this. Let's set this up better. From that point to that point. Let's set it up more like this. See what this data shows us. So that data showed us this point. Shows us that we're probably gonna have another. Okay, my sell losses got hit. I probably should have held those buys. Wow, absolutely insane. I just stole my money. Holy shit, those buys would have been insane if I held them. Wow, absolutely wow. So this could come straight back down though. So I might try and short, like, I'll finger blast this one a little bit. This one touched the 618 fib. It might just bounce off this 0.5 fib. It's actually showing a long position for the super trend, which worries me a bit. But super trend can always fail. As it's doing right now, it's failing. I'm not really in profit. This is bad. But it's also good because I have a lot of shorts opened right now. But this thing could just whip up. Yeah. Looks like that's what it's probably going to do. Damn. I should have hedged a little bit safer. Down 400, 450. I don't want to lose all my profit. Probably should have only went one short in on that. But as we can see, we could just see a straight dump, possibly. Let's see what this is. Right here, give another 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. Pretty good. Alright, there we go. We're coming down a little bit. This platform is pretty slow. Wow. I made a grave mistake by closing those longs. What you really should do is have the longs open and have them with a stop loss and have the shorts with a stop loss. Wow. Let's see what my metrics are. Today's permitted loss is only 5,000. Okay. So possible we could see the drop right here and to lose all the profit. Oh man, that sucks. I was in a good short right here, good long right here as well. But you can't always nail everything. Might be a good short, right? Kind of shitty market right now, but that's pretty volatile. What is that, like 0.5%? That's a whole percent. Wow, it's wild. That's wild. How many lots did I have open? I have a total sell lot of 3.5. Alright, here we go. Alright, it's under the 618. Ah, fuck him sideways. 39.48. What are we even at? He's in a pretty decent profit. Buy 20 lots at 38,920. Wow. Pretty crazy. Don't fuck me this time. Yeah, this is probably gonna just explode. So I think let's look at this. Our side doesn't even bother me right now. My shorts got smoked, but I had hedge. Expecting to at least come down here. I'll get my money back. I mean, I could risk a whole percent, whole 2%. Percent's 1,000, 2%'s 2,000, so on. But usually I don't like risking more than half a percent. I think it's gonna make a little wave back up. Check out the 15-minute. So this is the 15-minute. So we could say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 right here. This could be a wave 3. Pretty hard to put this one on. 9 to 8. Let's just looking at. Yeah, we definitely gotta have a little bit of a drop though. I'd say retest 8,900 at least. It's a pretty big engulfing candle. Like we could see the same candle over here eventually weaken and just fart down. Big candle like this, you have a comeback a little bit. Big candle like this, goes up, comes back down. This thing is actually pretty powerful. I'm still doing a 2.1% up on the account. I have today's permitted loss of 5,013, but this is honestly, it's gotta be incorrect because it said my max daily loss. I had a drawdown of about like $300 earlier, and I'm not up $13. I'm actually up. Like, I was up 2,600, so I actually have lost about 500, as you can see there. I'm expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it quit. I don't expect it to. Oh wow, actually bumping. I expect this one to be the last straw. Oh, this trade is not going well. I fucked myself. Probably shouldn't be shorting, but look. Boom, 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 boom. I gotta really set these. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, and then this is gonna be the last straw. I guarantee it. Let's see what this part was. Because I like these cyclicals right here. 88.9 and 88.27. Let's set that bitch up. Let's get rid of these ugly fuckers. I don't need them no more. Let's set up the bigger scheme. because this looks like it's about to just tank. Do the cycles. Let's see what this would look like. Maybe call it right there. Yeah, we're getting close to right now. Like this is a good visual. Or to later. Either way, within a time frame, it's gonna come back down, I believe, due to the cyclical cycle, and it's just gonna come hard. I mean, it could, it couldn't, but you see how these major cycles. Let's see what this one looked like. Yeah, that was a pretty big one. It's just kind of a peak 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was major. Let's see what. Yeah, broke this trend up. Pretty crazy. See, it's coming back down a bit. Let's see this trend right here. Yeah, it's supposed to have a drop around right now. In a couple minutes, actually. So let's see what this shows. Probably like 5 minutes, give or take, and we can check out their time frames. I mean, this does look very bullish. I'm not gonna lie. Looks extremely bullish. Let's count some waves. We'll call this the wave 1, 2, wave 3, 1. Maybe wave 5 up here. I don't know. Oh my god, I fucked that up. Let's put a fib level for this area. Nope, not those. Something like this. See where she came. So she's at the 1.13 right now. Coming back down a little bit. She went to the 1.272. So realistically, she could even go up to, damn, 39.70. But I'm expecting a little bit of a drop. Maybe it's just gonna go straight up. This is probably just a B wave right now. Let's say that. I'd probably expect something like this. Unless it runs right now. Yeah, I'm not too sure. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully she comes back down to these levels. It looks like she's pretty even with that sell pressure and that buy pressure. I wonder what that means. I'm not too sure. Even candle wick. I mean, I don't know. That ain't a good thing to ask. Pretty stupid question. I'm still up 2% on the count. I probably should have kept my long lows. This very well could burn my ass. But I'm only in 3 lots, which is probably way too much for this account. That's a quarter of the account. Yeah, this thing could be explosive actually, like the way that's kind of scary, you know? It's giving me some worries. But this is a place where I would place shorts, so it's not a place I want to close my shorts. $48,214. 48 to 14. Fat moves. Oh, damn, he's down 12 on those. Ah, look at my daily loss. Yeah, it's just blurry as fuck. Alright. Oh. So I really should probably play long right now to hedge the fuck out of this shit because I could get smacked. Very nice. What's a bad word to use? Is hope. Alright, these bitches are getting small. I probably should open up some buys right now. At least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3.5 buys. 3 point. As I do it, it's gonna increase my loss for a short moment. I need a hedge. I need to be safe with this. And then this one, that'll be a what loss? $800 loss. That'll bring. That'll be evened out. I'm not gonna set that. Let's check this out. Let's see what's going on. Probably pretty stupid to have those buys. At the same time, I want to be safe right now. Play extra safe. I'm already in profit on the buy. I can see this as a triangle to break out, so that's what I'm looking at. So we could check some cyclical stuff right now. So a little uptrend. And that's like a top right there on the 1.272. Now I expect we could maybe even come up to the 618 fib right up here. So if it breaks out on this triangle, imagine like a triangle. Well, yeah, I'll just draw that for others. So I went a long position. I have some shorts right here. I'm trying to get out. Currently only up 19% for the target. Yeah, I let these losses get a little too much. There we go. It broke out of that triangle like I was expecting around. But maybe it's just waking up. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's gonna be pumping. It was pretty smart for me to get those longs. I literally hedged, like saved my ass a bit. But that's if I close them soon. So I went to the 786 fib. Oh, there we go. It's absolutely dumping right now. But I think it could have a little bit of a little retest bounce. See what happens here. Really, probably should have tried closing when I was up on that profit of that thing. Honestly, these are good short areas. Oh shit, I just shorted 3.5 lots. That was not supposed to happen. Not supposed to happen at all. So we're in the green area of the Fibonacci fan actually. So this is a great short entries. But now, I mean, she could keep going up. The Fib fan got created a new one. Damn. I might have just fucked myself. I didn't mean to buy 3.5 lots. I am on profit on that lot. I was just about to close them too. I'm in profit on it. But this one might be good to hold this lot. And I closed the buy. I'm actually down on the buy right now. Once it crosses into the red zone, I'll close my buy and stop hedging. But if it goes up there, I'm down another 200. But I could risk up to a percent. Oh, I mean, I could risk 5%, but I'm not going to. I like to risk like half to 1.5%. So once it crosses under that red, which this could be bullish right now, but let's go check the cycles real quick. You know, I'm tired of looking at this chart. Let's just clear it, redo it real quick. That's how we do it. So I'm gonna get my Fibonacci set real quick. Let's go check this real quick. I'm still, as long as it doesn't bounce real quick, you know. So let's get this set. This is important. And let's get a fib from going to here. There we go. Let's see what this is doing. Alright. Alright, it's about to cross the red zone. Let's check out the cyclicals. Honestly, could keep running. Might be maxed out though. Alright, we'll cross that red zone. Let's wait for the next candle to open. How much time do we have on that? Because I want to play it safe. Because this could just wick down and wick right back up. So we're gonna wait on the next candle. That candle opens in 30 seconds. After this one closes in the red, I'm gonna close this long position I had right here to hedge my position, and it should play back nice, and I should be back where I was. We got about 15 more seconds, I'm guessing. Yeah, 15 seconds exactly. Pretty nice. I reset the chart a little bit, cleaned her up again. So we got 6 more seconds. It's about to just dump. I got a feeling. So we got about 1 second. Let's see what happens. It could pounce right back up. So I want to hold this. All right, there we go. I'm closing my long. Now I'm just gonna hold my shorts. I got a short up here, a short here, and these are other shorts. And I'm in this pretty heavy. 54,000 right now. Morning, Henry. What's going on? They're having a party. Hell yeah, I'm having a party. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm at a kava bar. Now, how loud is it for you guys? Like, oh, also by the way, overnight after I closed the live stream, dude, watch these trades. Watch what happened. So it dropped over here. You see that? I'll show you this real quick. Moldy Lunchbox. This was insane. This was fucking nasty. What happened? Oh, I probably should be paying attention a little bit, but I don't care. Not loud. Can hear you well. All right. So this is, so dude, it shorted right here. That was like the time I about got off, right? And then I bought some long here, closed my longs here, and then shorted, and then I was like, damn. So I shorted more here, and then I closed my shorts here, and after I closed my shorts, boom, it dropped. That would have passed the whole account. And then uh I wanted to go long here. I wanted to, but I didn't. It was late at night and stuff. So what happened was I kind of started shorting here. Actually, I shorted. I think it was this point. I shorted. Yeah, this is a 15-minute. I was shorting this point right here, and then I went long right here as well. I had short and a long, and then I closed my longs right here, and closed my shorts, and then I tried shorting here, and I closed that once it broke, and then I shorted more up here. So now I'm just in a full fuck short. Honestly, it's at 39,000 though. But we broke below the green zone and we're in the red zone. Sure, she could come back up above the green. Let's keep these lots at like 0.1, just in case I play something stupid. I don't fuck myself. So I have a $200 loss for the day. So I was at 1,000, 100,000, 126,000. Nah, 100,000, 100, $2,000, and $600. Yeah, that's how you say it. I don't know, I got mixed up. So I think once all these profits come back, I'll be back where I was. So this is my mech shits. It says I've only done one trade. I don't know why this is bullcrap, but I got the account to 2,600. But yeah, we definitely had a little bit of a drop there, Moldy Lunchbox. So this is the 1 minute. This 1 minute looks very familiar. We're about to just tank, I bet. So let's look at this. So we have that and that. Let's set up some half circles. Where should we set them up? So that one looks pretty good. We're having some drops right here, but it could be set up like this. Yeah, that could be it. That could be the half circle. But yeah, this is a gobble bar. Pretty cool. I got you in the plant right now. Yeah, this is probably a beautiful short. That's what my friend's saying. I took the 6K loss. I have lost the account, so I hedged twice my risk on for. It's dropping hard. It ain't dropping out hard. Yeah, it's actually dropping pretty hard. Look at that. Noah, are you in my live stream? I bet you are. I bet you're in my live stream. Comment if you're in my live stream, Noah. Let's look at this shit. Oh yeah, these are like counts, like 1, 2, 3. Like you count the candles, which sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. Let's count. I think this is like 9 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're gonna have one more candle down, just because that's how it works. Look at this shit. This shit's awesome. I love these half circles. So I want to. Oh yeah. We got another 38 seconds of dumping, bro. Another 38 seconds. I'm up 438 on this right now. I'm back at where I was. I'm up 28% on the target I need to hit. I need to just make 10,000 on this account, and I'm straight. And it'll be awesome. Be absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. So we got how many candlesticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got one more candlestick that's gonna be down. Generally, that's how it works. And we have a sell. So let's see this next candlestick. It's probably gonna fucking fart down or bleed. Looks like it's. This is the one that's just gonna fucking shoot down or bounce. I mean, be wrong. Gonna try and go above. All right, so we're above the 0.5. So let's look at this structure. How can we chart this? That's always how I want. That's always what I'm thinking is how can I chart this? Oh wow, I think Elliott Wave already charted it for me. That's fucking beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made wave 1 right there. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 right there. Wave 5. On wave 3, and then boop, 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 boop down. Yeah, look at this. This is beautiful, man. That ninth candle is coming down, and I wouldn't really want to close my lots here because I won't have another position like this. These are a nice position. I probably should have. Yeah, that 10th candle came back up. So it's threes. So this is a 1, 2, 3 candle down, and then it might go up, or it goes to six candle down, and then it might go up, or 9 candle down, and then it might go up. So 369. It's the powers of 369. Even Nikola Tesla knew about what 369 was: frequency, energy, vibration, and some other stuff with the numbers. But the numbers apply in here, but I don't think it's based off of Nikolai. So yeah, I probably should have just closed that and re-entered. But I didn't want to risk my entry that I did have because it was pretty decent. It's pretty decent. But yeah, we got some cool stuff like this. Yeah, some circles, some square. Yeah, I took. Yeah, I would risk too much losing my position, and I probably wouldn't go as heavy as I am. This time I'm gonna hold it for the zone. This is my zone. This is my zone. That's gonna be take half my profit. Let's check out some cyclical thingies. Half circles. Let's go. Next half circle coming up. It did have a little bounce on that middle. So think of this. The top is a peak, and the bottom is a trough. Let's see how fucking nasty this bitch gets. How nasty it gets. So I would try and make some half circles off this, some cyclical time, but this one's pretty difficult just due to, yeah, this one kind of works, but it's nothing apparent really besides that and that. So here we go. We got 1, 2, 3 more minutes. We could have 3 more candles down. What is it? I think it's called like something with points. I don't know. Pivot high, low, numbered, grams number. What the fuck? Number indicator. I think this could be one. Just numbers. No, I have no clue what the fuck I just added. Oh, it's this. Oh yeah, look, it shows me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, I don't know what this is. So we're at the 0.5 fib. It could bounce a little bit from here. This is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a 4-wave down. The ABC is gonna. Oh yeah, this thing even charted out the wave. So this is really the zone I'm looking for. This is the make money zone, like for real make money zone. So it's kind of this as wave 5. That's good enough for me. Good enough for me. Oh yeah, look at how the Fibonacci works perfectly. Comes right in to the wave 1. That's what the use of Elliott waves and Fibonacci really do. It just blends so well. I'm just gonna keep buying dips with 28 lots, so my take profit to pass is closer. Take 20, just gonna keep buying with 28 lots. No, don't do that. I'm just gonna keep. I mean, I guess he could be doing that if he nailed that bottom, which I'm not sure he did. What was that? 3,900. If it's bullish, I have to. 3,900. You crazy, man. Oh shit. Near 6 p.m. What was the price I had set? Around 38.4. Oh yeah, the next wave. Um, so wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. And within wave 3 there's always like 5 waves, and wave with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is what I did. I put the Fibonacci from the top, brought it down below wave 1, and the 236 fib will usually be right on the tip of wave 1, which is where Elliott wave likes to go, and it'll make an ABC pattern, an A, B, C pattern, come usually all the way back to wave 1. I mean, sure, she could come down and have a little bit of a flat, but she could actually bounce a little bit right now, so I might want to think about pulling some of my trigger because I'm in some nice profit. But oh, here, I'll show you this. If you Elliott waves, yes sir, yes sir. All right, I really like this one picture. It's pretty nice. Um, where is it? It's right here. Impulsive waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm actually looking for 3 waves back up. So this is maybe start taking profit, or I could start going long actually to hedge this profit. But to hedge that, I would need a slap 7 lot prop. You know what? I'm gonna be fucking ballsy, boy. Oh, I just missed my opportunity. I was gonna slap it right there. This is gonna pop up, I think. But let's look at these. So yeah, I didn't realize these are 1, 2, 3 waves up on the B wave. This was looking interesting. Where was I looking at? I saw this one thing. Where did it go? I saw this really interesting. But you see how it all goes up and then it comes all the way back down to this level? Where is... I literally just saw something that looked interesting. Might have been some stuff like that, no. Oh, is this? I want to see what this is. Elliott Wave cheat sheet. Whoops. Oh yeah, I should have slapped them 7 lots. Those 7 lots would have been fucking nice. They've been beautiful. So we're coming to a peak right now. We just had a little bit of trough. We might have touched the peak. But if I slap those 7 lots, I could take a bigger loss. Because the trend right now is downtrend. It's a downtrend. So I'm going to be stupid. I'm not going to make the same mistake like I did yesterday. You know, it's a thing that just I ended up doing. Look at this bitch set up. Let's see what this camera set up like. Retest if the inverse has shoulders. I don't really see an inverse unless he means this. You see 1, 2, 3. My friend has it on his chart. Inverse head and shoulders. What time frame is this kid on? Pretty difficult to see. That's a 5 minute. Oh, I see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this is the shoulder. That's another shoulder. Nah, I don't really think it's probable. Too probable. I mean, I'm up, but I was up before I started this video, so. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could bounce. I should have done the lots, so I could hedge that profit and just stay in the profit no matter what, and then decide later. Oh yeah, let's see what you said, my friend. Oh yeah, but hesitant to get in. I'll wait for the next drop if one comes. Yeah, that's pretty smart. I'll wait too. Yeah, trading against the trend is not a good idea. Yeah, I mean it's gonna have some bounces, which would have hedged my position and gave me profit on the uptrend and then downtrend. But let's see what this one is. What you thinking? Literally asking what he's thinking when he already said what he's thinking. Yeah, that would have been actually pretty smexy if I slapped that. I was thinking that 7 lot right there, so we might have another up candle. But it's getting close to that point. Yeah, I don't know where that. Hmm. Alright, so let's try to make some more cycles and see what's up with something like this. From this point to this point. Yeah, we're getting tapped off over here. That's also, this is a 1 minute chart, but let's set up some time. Fib time. Let's see what this says about these. Alright, so that would be probably a peak, yeah. Pretty cool. That would be a trough. This doesn't hurt too bad because I have a fat 3.5 lots over there. So we're back in the red. We'll probably touch the middle of the red. This is the B wave. Come back up to this level. Like this is a level of resistance I'm looking at to reject. Let's set up some bigger time frames, see what's up. Oh yeah, look at that. Look, I can visually see there's more red than green. So it's like, yeah. But there is a buy for the super trend on the 45 minute, but how often do those work? Well, not every time. Let's turn off that fib. On that fib time. I'm actually gonna set up some What time frame is this on? 45 minute. Yeah, this is pretty accurate. These were from other time frames. Looks like it's bouncing right here. Came above that resistance. Hmm. Let's see what's up. What was I trying to do? Oh yeah, GAN. Trying to set up a GAN box. But there's so much junk. Uh, there's just so much stuff on this chart. Actually, I'm on Binance US, so I won't forget. Yeah, that buying those lots would have saved my ass a lot. So I could short more right here. But should I go for it? I'll slap one lot right here. How many counts that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like 6 lots out. Realistically, it should be pretty bullish right now. Like, Molly Lunchbox, this wouldn't be a crazy bad long entry. I mean, it'd come back down, honestly. So I want to set up GAN. So I'm going to use Kraken for GAN, actually. Already got a fib set up. Set up GAN. GAN, my man. I'm going to try and set up like something. Actually. See how this looks. Sometimes tricky setting GAN up. Yeah, I'll slap another lot. This could just be the B wave. Was it smart? I don't know. I don't know yet. But those 7 lots would have been nice. Also, it has been weak. I attended it from yesterday to today. Next stop is 35K, so look at that. Don't go buying yet. And 38 4 fails. Next stop is 35. Literally, these could be the shorts of the century. Like this could, yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Just look at this whole structure. Like what goes up, come right back down. Look at that. So I want to set this up. This is bound to just drop right now. Like it's bound to like trough. So I want to set this up nicely. I don't really care about the Fibonacci yet. Let's check this out. Let me button my shirt. Let me hit my vape. Alright. I really want to set up GAN. I do. Let's close. Damn it. Oh yeah, this is pretty accurate now. Look at this shit. Shit's lit as fuck. Yeah, look at that. You see that? Boom. Boom. think I'm doing it right. Anyhow. Hello, this is your captain speaking, and today, welcome aboard. The trend is bearish. Hear people banging in the background, they're all upset. It's pretty funny. Oh, people shooting Nerf guns over here. I don't know if you saw that. So, you see something like this. Boop, 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 boop. Now, this is what I'm looking at. Look how symmetrical this is. Super symmetrical. This one got a little bit bigger, so let's use sine waves. Sine waves are pretty neat. Oh yeah, look at that. That's such a weak jump. I like sine waves because you set this up. I wish I could slant these. Let's make this like a red, like a thick red, a thick one. Yeah, and then let's set up these. So we can set this up to right here. As you can see, it's a little bit different. Probably set it up like that. But if we set it up like this, we can see we've already hit this peak right here. And we're ready to come down. I think we're coming down right now. Let's check. Yeah. So, hello, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard. The trend is bearish. We're going down, everybody. Pretty funny. Let's see what everyone else is talking about. Next stop is 34. Oh my god. That's crazy. Oh no, what happened? What did I do? Oh my god, what the fuck just happened? Did your screen just go black? Next stop is 34K. Yeah, look at that. Up, up, up. Yeah, that was it. Look, I put my fingers sometimes to like check the waves. Like that's one finger. I think she could have a little bit. Nah, she's done so. She's done so. People look at this chart and they be like, "What is going on?" You know what? I'll make the bit even more crazy. Fib circle. Fib resistance arc. Yeah, but I don't know how low to put these bitches. Whereas with something like this, 39. Oh my god, she dumped $200. Yo, look at this trade, boy. This trade is absolutely killing it. Oh my god, look at that. I told you she'd come right up in the middle of that bit and go boom. I'm also running off of like 5 hours of sleep. No, not 5 hours of sleep. I went to bed at 5 a.m. So that gave me 2 hours of sleep because I had to wake up at like 8 o'clock. Fit the matching puzzle, dude. This is badass. Oh my god. This trade is fucking gnarly, dude. Yo, I'm up 32% for the challenge. If 3840 fails, god, dude. I'm so happy you watched me, Moldy Lunchbox. I don't know why no one else is watching me. I'm like literally the best live streamer at the moment because like nobody is even doing what I'm doing. I've never seen anybody doing what I'm doing. Like, let's go check some other people out. They're probably like, oh my god, I thought it was gonna go higher. Like, I can guarantee you putting nobody is putting cyclical cycles or GAN fans, GAN boxes. Like, I spent a lot of hours trying to understand this crap. But like, I don't think I'm being too loud. Hopefully no one else thinks I'm like annoying or anything. Should I buy the 7 lots? Oh, it's too late. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. He's like, go. Let's go check what other live streamers are doing. Bitcoin live. And the thing is, I'm not even. Those are just buy and sell. That's Fibonacci. That's an Indian. Oh, I'm actually on the 3rd list. There's only 3 people live streaming. I like it. Bitcoin. Hopefully you guys can hear this music. What was I gonna do? Oh, this is what I want to do. Alright, so I want to adjust this. Bitcoin live. Live trading. Bitcoin live trading. 100. 100K. FTMO. With analysis. Crazy. TA for Bitcoin. Live trading. I don't know. This is money basically, so got that tags in there. I don't even have crypto. Copy all I can't add. Yeah, it'd be risky buying right there. Get them strawberries. I'm up 14. So it's pretty much bounced off my target I had set here as well, which is nice to note. Pretty much bounced Reno. Let me make sure I only have subs. Yeah, I have a total of 8 lots open. That's I have 60% of the count in right now. Let's see how XRP reacted. XRP. Damn, that thing's been getting slammed sideways. Now some of the cryptos are already at their bottoms. How's it going, person who just joined? So we're looking at some of these. Yeah, I'll just show you the analysis right now. So I pulled up some GAN. Now this is more cyclical, and I'll show you another chart that's a little bit easier to see. We had gone up, gone down, but let me show you the other charts that we're really using right now. I'm using a chart I have right here, pretty basic for the cyclical lines and the Fibonacci. Here we'll get to a smaller time frame so you can see. So yeah, we had our ABC wave. Whoops, I don't want to move my fib levels yet. So we're on the 382 fib right now, and we're coming into this trough. It's pretty accurate, and I set these up manually, which is pretty nice. So, and we could see what my friends are saying. So if 3840 fails, next stop 34, 3840, nothing gonna happen with an hour. I said, are you guys bullish or bearish? Honestly, Bitcoin has been weak. I attended. So that's what some of my friends are saying. And we're gonna have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 down. As you can see, we're getting into more of a major trough. That person probably left. That's sad. He's probably like, I don't know what the fuck this kid's saying, talking about. It don't matter. Alright, we're having a little bit of bounce. So we kind of hit this trough. Now, we might continue downtrend if we don't break the 382 right here. But we're on that C wave has been hit. I think I've already set this thing up. Generally, C comes all the way back down to wave 1, which is right here. If you want to see this, whoever just joined, wave 1's right here, and it also comes to the 0.236 fib. So this is a major key level. We've already broke the 0.5. Oh, the 0.5 is actually right here. So let me set these up. Set up some target zones. That's 618 for this fib. These are the fib levels we're looking at. So now we're coming in on this trough. We just bottomed out around here. We are on that C wave, so we're expecting it to come back down to this wave 1 around here on the 236, which is 3840. And now my friends did say that if pretty much 3840 fails, next stop is 34. And these people use some crazy stuff, you know what I'm saying? Some pretty nice stuff. Let's see if they said anything recently. That's a harmonic pattern. So this is Shiba. Yeah, Shiba's pretty funny. So these are that's a fib, and they use GAN. They use GAN a lot. So we're currently up 1200 on the short. I'm up over here. Currently have the count right there. Let's check out the bigger cycles. So we're expecting to break this point straight to fib, and yeah. So let's check out some bigger cycles for what's more expected, and we'll go check out my other chart for that for you guys. I think Bitstamp is the one where I have the bigger cycles. Okay, yeah. So these I had set up about a week ago, a couple days ago, and we had hit these dates. As you can see, March 6th, March 5th, and then also around March 8th is one, and maybe even up to March 15th. But then we check the daily, and it looks a little bit different. Shows you a little bit more different data, which shows pretty much all these troughs lining up right here, March 6th, right now. So this thing could just absolutely bottom out and have a nice entry, but at the same time, it could take a while for something to finally come back up. It's not something to go down completely and then shoot back up. It could go down and continue on a slow downtrend and then bounce. So we're gonna show you the Kraken, see what's up with that. You see those are some peaks, some troughs. Let's check out the 45-minute on it. Modi Lunchbox, how loud is it in the background? If you don't mind me asking. So we're still looking at these targets. Let's set up price notes. 38. Yeah, if it breaks that, it's kind of fucked. It should probably be a lot nicer now. Alright, we're having a little bit of a bounce. Yeah, someone probably joined and heard a kid scream or something. Let's check out the 1 minute. This is just so much. It's just so hard looking at these charts sometimes, but you gotta look through it and just see. So we're gonna chart it out again. So we had our 1, 2, 3. And this could be what we for right here. Yeah. Oh, dude, it might go. It might do it. It might do it. That'd be very nice for the team. These were some solid trades. Just imagine if because I had shorted right here. This was my first short right here for the day. And then I bought right here. And then I closed my buy right here. And I closed my short right there. And then tried shorting again. And that bitch just went up. This was my next shorts right here. Yes, correct. That's the ABC wave. Actually, I didn't even have to add it. What happened is, if you go on TradingView, if you have TradingView, there's an Elliott Wave Absolute indicator that is actually new. I think it's right here. You go to chart patterns, Elliott Wave right there. It's a new thing. Yeah, so if we could look at this pattern, you see how it's doing all this. Now we go look at the history of yesterday of other Elliott wave. I don't know if this is the one I charted. That sucked because I put a lot of work into that last chart, to be honest. I think this was yesterday. Yeah, this is like 2 a.m. Like the 4 a.m. drop. Yeah, this is exactly what happened. I think the structure only does one at a time. I'm gonna chart up the other history. So there's 5 waves within one wave. So one, two, three. There's kind of like one right there. Two, three, four, five. Or actually one, two, three, four, five. So we can call that wave one. We can just call this wave three. This wave four because it comes back to wave one, and then wave five. And then we had an ABC, A, B, and C always comes back to about wave one or lower. It very well can vary, so I went there. And if we put the Fibonacci on, I'm sure that wave one was at like a 236 fib. Yeah, it was actually 236 fib right here. So this is wave one. I kind of charted it wrong, but it could be something like that. It could vary a little bit. Just depends who's charting it. Let's delete some of that. Let's get back to here. Oh, that's pretty big. Oh yeah, she's getting hammered right now. Pretty shitty for as long. Let's look at this. This is Shiba. Yeah, this is definitely taking a minute, but just the way usually the structure is, it goes all the way up, comes all the way down, goes all the way up, goes down. I really want to. I don't think I've been setting it up right. I really want to set up like a cycle that shows me from this bottom to this bottom, but this is gonna still have a top, I think. So let's see from this bottom to this bottom. Okay, so this is, yeah, so we've already hit the top around over here. So 1916, 17, 18, 19. But as we know, I could have this one not set the best. I want to set it. So you want like these structures, this structure and this structure, where they look even. If that makes any sense. Like the time amount between here to this bottom, from this bottom to this bottom, Yeah, this is the one I want to go from. Yeah, pretty soon she's coming. These are just bigger structures, bigger waves. Let's set them up for each one. Um, okay, so major trough acquired. Look at that. You see how that's perfect? So now we have a pretty good time frame of when something is gonna be dumped. Like look how like perfect all of these came in. And never try that technique. That technique's pretty nice. So within a wow. So within this major peak, there was two other major peaks. Within those two major peaks, there were four major peaks, and within those four, I'm guessing this is eight. Two, four, five, six, seven, eight. About. So this is actually very interesting. Super interesting. I actually like that a lot. Wow. So we're coming down a bit. Let's see what we're at. 1600 profit. 1666. We had about one, two, three waves up. Dude, I'm just like shocked how nice this is. And then this is of course based off the 1 minute. Wow, that's just too much shit to look at though. Which I don't like too much. So let's try and find a zoom in. I know there's a zoom in button. Zoom in. Alright, cool. Yeah, I could keep it like this. This is manageable. 1 second, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a kratom. I'm gonna go get a drink. Let's see what we're doing. Alright, we're not. Yeah, I'm at a kava bar. I usually come here and chill. I farted like crazy over there. That's bad. That's real bad. I did not mean to do that. Ah. So yeah, that's honestly like, yeah, I'm just like astonished how beautiful this trough came out. I never thought of that. This is like what 1 minute trough. We have bigger ones, but yeah, I gotta snip this. and send it to the team. Send it to the team. Get a vertical line over here. Uh, vertical snipe that. That's today. Today. Ah, did I really just fuck that up? But now look, so when I change the time frame, pretty sure everything gets moved around a little bit. You see the time frame, it switches. Actually, no, they're all equal still. You see the 15 minute. The 15 minute shows 18, and then I guess the further out I go, the further this gets. Now that's the 7th. So here's some towns for you guys. 7th of March, 7th. That's all the same. Let me just get a nice photo for oh, someone left. Oh, but they left at the wrong time. Like, look at that fucking. Look at this. I'm telling you, this shit crazy, and I'm doing it live. All right, let me reset this chart. People are like, this is bullshit, dude. I'm getting good with these half circles. Pretty nice. Oh, 6. Double click that. Okay, that looks so nice. I don't even care about the RSI. Nope. One second. Let's see what you said in a second. I had a friend who couldn't stop talking about it. It helped him quit smoking and drinking. He even thought, according to him, that wasn't his intention. It just happened. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, kratom's actually a pretty good thing. I mean, kratom is addictive, but like, there's been times where like I've drinking it for literally a year straight, and then I don't care, and I just quit for like months, and I hadn't gone to the kratom bar. Like, this is the second time I've been to the kava bar in like what, like 3 months. It's been a minute. I just hope I'm able to provide this group chat with stuff. Yeah, a lot of people they quit for certain medicinal benefits, I guess. Let's see what he says. Those big lots are lit. Huh. So he bought. Is he 38.95? 38.95. 38.95. What? Let's see what this is all about. All right, so 38.95, 38. Whoa. Okay. So 50, 60, 70. A $20 move was $700 for him. Yeah, that's fucking dangerous, my friend. Wait, he's all in on buys? Buy, buy, buy. No. No, that's not okay. Secret angle on Bitcoin one day. Whoops, sorry, you guys can't see the secret. I'm just kidding. Let's check it out. So these angles are pretty cool. Don't, don't, don't. These are the lower parts. We're probably going to come back down to these levels. Those big lots are lit. Dude, that's not okay. He's doing that. Now he's down 6,000. I don't get it. All right, so now he's down. So it shows he's up. Shows he's down. Does not make sense at all. Yeah, he's definitely leveraging. So yeah, leveraging, hedging, whatever you might want to call it. So this is his shit. So imagine what these are. These are his shorts. Imagine what these are. These were his buys, I think. That's just wild. And then I think, or maybe I don't know. 200 IQ trade. So honestly, I think those could be his buys, and some of those were shorts, or those were shorts, and he just leveraged. He added more shorts in. So take profits coming soon. It really doesn't want to come in that box. But yeah, let's get these dates. Let's see what these dates are all about. Oh yeah, this updated. It used to be ABC, now it's ABC. Pretty nice. But yeah, within the ABC, there's 5 waves down. So this is a time. 18, what is that? 12, 13, 14. So right now it shows. I wish I was able to change my time. I gotta take a number 2. Alright. Sign out, language, dark color theme. What's this one? I thought I already was on dark color theme. This is real dark color theme then. Oh fuck, what did I just do? No, I lost everything. No, I'm just kidding. Uh, that's not my chart. Okay, so right now it's in a period of like, it's like, when it's red, it's like, don't make a decision yet. There's about to be a trend change. Or it's about to show, hey, this thing's about to tank. I'm trying to change my time. Draw in keyboard, get desktop, sign out. More get scripts, ideas. So pretty much in wow. So in what's it called? 20, 30 minutes. In 30 minutes we're gonna be wherever this is. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom. Hello. Okay, we're dumping a little bit. We have like so 1811. That's 111. Fuck. Now, one thing I noticed, I was looking at the 5 minute chart while I was, sitting down. I noticed this. Which could be worrying me. So look at this. So I'm looking at something like this. This is very possible right now. I might try and get some long positions because this thing could just freaking rip. I mean, look at this structure. This structure is even a bigger wave structure, but this isn't. Let's set this up. So that's on the trough. Let's set this one up. This is an even major one. I'm not unsure. We're up 1600 though, so it's pretty interesting. I'm not sure how to feel about that. Let me see what time this would be. Okay, that would be on the 7th. Alright, cool. I'm not sure if I should be worried. Or what? Look at this, bro. This shit's just fucking broken, man. Most likely just going to end at 39,400, same price as 7. And we're CME closed at week delta, closed in 6 hours. $39,400. What would that be? $39,400. That would be shitty for me. That'd be super shitty. So let's look at this though. Look, it just boom, boom, right up in that. But this one wasn't accurate, so I need to adjust this one unless I already have one that's set with this. Okay, yeah, so this lines up with this and that, and this lines up here. So it looks like it's gonna do a little bounce. I'm up 17 right now. I was at 2 right there. Probably lower the mic sound. Whoa. Alright, let's check out the TTM squeeze. Honestly, I don't know what else to check on the chart. Like, I've checked everything. I've checked everything. Damn, near everything. Huh. Alright. On the 5 minute. Yeah, I want to really see if this play's gonna work out. We got 20 more minutes, and that major trough thingy is gonna be appeared, and it could be Devastating. Now this was off. I don't know. Oh, but this one lined up. Oh, this is what matters. See what this TTM squeeze. Okay, so this TTM squeeze made a decision. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C came back down, kind of touched around there. I should start counting the candlesticks too. Help me out a little bit. So we have 3 up. There's a chance we could have 1 down and then more 3 up or 6 negative. Because over here we probably had like 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I am up 36% though. Which isn't bad. Uh, I want to see what any of these other live streamers are doing. Like literally nothing. Anyone else live stream is just fucking garbage. There's me, 3 viewers, bro. I deserve more. I really do, I think. They're bullcrap. Liquidation watch. What time frame is this? 1 second? See how bad like super trend signals are, like sells and then a buy. But I mean, at least the buy happened right there. Some of the super trends are pretty accurate. You know what? I want to watch the second. Watch how crazy this is. I think a 10-second would be better. 15-second, I know is possible. Ah, dude, we got like 10 more minutes before that mega trough happens. Let's see what happens. I'm very curious, bro. Super curious. Should probably be looking at some higher time frames. I mean, I do here and there. So this looks like, okay. This looks like a shoulder, a head, a shoulder. And then we're gonna find a bottom. See what a 15-minute looks like. Kind of up on this trend right now, actually. On a trend. So I kind of want to chart that. Fuck yeah, maybe. I might. When it drops, I might try and make some entries, yeah. But the entries really are like, I mean, I might not make any entries if this passes the count. So look, most likely going to end up at 39,400. Some of them are saying, I mean, you've already seen this before. Most likely just going to yeah, this guy who's like has his own island, everything. He doesn't even say there's much of an edge right now. She's just like it's just been sideways. Like he trades the meat, you know, like he goes for these. Someone like me is going for these little boing. But these little boings are like powerful, like doing, doing. Like those are like thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth if hit correct with the right amount of moolah. So let's look at a 30 minute. So let's set up a head and shoulders. The patterns. Maybe look something like this. What did I just do? Yeah. But it hasn't even made any shoulders yet. I mean, it really doesn't have to. This is just stupid. Delete that. Shitting me, it's just gonna fucking do that. We got 2 minutes. Buy harmonic here, but I wouldn't put a ton of faith in it. No confirmation at all. Yeah, you can see this. It's going to go like this. It's just like super. You could just see like that. B minus 2 to 10 for big move. I actually could. Alright. This honestly probably it could bounce. Like I really, because look, some of these end up just like not working anymore. So that was kind of good. Thanks for everyone sticking around. I know it's not many people, but I appreciate it. There could be actually a nice bounce right here. I'm very tempted to fucking hedge right now, but I suck at it. I don't know how to hedge right. It's actually on the trend. 99.20. I wouldn't mind. I should have probably got out with a little bit better profit. Well, that's pretty cool. I can see like stuff like that. But honestly, this thing could just trade sideways for infinity. But there's a major chop coming, so like I really expect it to like do something. And they've been pretty accurate. Russian ruble is on a nosedive right now. It's like RUB USD. I doubt I get that. USD RUB. Yeah, I fucking bet it is. I mean, poor Russia and poor Ukraine. Honest. Bruh. That's crazy. I mean, it is already, I think, like something like that. 1 month. What was it at? Not crazy. Yeah, it's literally dropped 50%. That's a 50% drop, but I mean it's been dropping for a while. Look at trading view under forex. All right. Oh, wait. Which one? Forex. I'll just do this one. Rub. Sometimes it's a pain in the ass finding shit. Rub USD. Oh damn. That's like a 10%, 15% drop. Dude, currency shouldn't drop that hard, but it's what's going on. Dude, that's absolutely insane. Wow, I mean, I'm not surprised at all. Dude, so it was at like 14. Let's just say 12. Wow, yeah, it's definitely lost. Now, this is having some. Either this is about to be big. Yeah, that is the minute chart. The daily chart. Whoa. Honestly, it could probably bounce. I don't know. Look at the hours or daily, yeah. That's pretty wild. Let's look at the weekly. 1W. So yeah, even Elliott waves would have picked up the top on here. Wave 5 right there. Alright, we got like literally 7 more minutes. Hello. This shit crazy. Shit crazy. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Look at that. It's gonna happen. Or this could be a peak. Like they could invert and like switch. It's like hmm, how did I have this set up? I had it nice looking. It didn't look fucking crazy. I had that. Oh yes, I had that to that. I might slap like I really want to slap some lots. Yeah, I wouldn't count on it either. Fuck man, what's gonna happen? Okay, something just happened with the chart. It adjusted. Okay. Oh man, it's pretty much here, bro. Pretty much here. This could bounce though. I don't know. Really don't know. It's on that trend. We could visually just see it on that trend. Imagine I just deleted everything. That would suck. It's really on a trend right now. Like, ooh. Let's see this clear drop. Shit, wow. Dude, this is sketchy, bro. This is sketchy right now. It's like in one of those points, like I don't know what it's gonna do. Yeah, it's bouncing a little bit, yeah. Yeah. Let's see what the Kraken looking like. Yeah, look at this GAN, bro. It's so nice. I had this bitch set up. The bitch set up nice. I don't know what it's gonna do. We already had 5 waves. Now it's time to come down here. It really is time to come down here. Time to come to Poppy. What am I doing? Yeah, I should have slapped them lots. I was thinking of it. I was thinking of it. Look how tight the triangle's getting. This kind of looks like a bush. This kind of looks like an ascending triangle. Yeah, it's breaking a little bit. But we'll see what it does on the outside. What's gonna happen? I enjoy you watching and stuff. Moldy Lunchbox. I'm sure you have a name. Figure it out. Nope, just Moldy Lunchbox. There's one. Oh yeah, it broke that triangle. Yeah, dude, I fucked up. I should have hedged that position. I was really thinking of it. I talked about it, but I talk about it a lot. I should have, would have. So it don't even matter. I kind of want to scrape some of these targets down. I should have scraped them when I was lower. It would have been a little bit smarter to like, cause I hit this area where I said I would wanted to like cut some of it. So we've hit the area, and look, this actually might be. So this line is that middle. I like how everything's like a cushion. It's like, ooh, watching. Oh yeah, but look, there is like a peak right here, so very well could just be the peak from here. There's always, yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen. Damn thing bounced. Yeah, it did. We have literally 2 minutes. Ah, I knew it. I had set up the ascending triangle. It looked too perfect, you know? Look at that. Look at that. That thing is shooting up. Look at that. This is when I should have buy. But, you know, I think I'm going to be risking it for the biscuit. Because, like I said, the thing could switch to, like, a peak. Like, I really don't know. It's strange. Really strange how, I don't know. I'm not a pro or anything. Yeah, it would have been nice if I had bought, like, 8 lots right down here. Just to, like, I would have been so safe. I would have been straight if it bounced to hell, bounced to heaven, or whatever. Damn, that sucks because I was at only 200, 103,000. Now, here we go. Look at that red X. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, 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 yo, that's crazy. Look, all that profit. Oh my god. T minus 1 minute. Got 25 more seconds. Now I don't know what to do after this. Should I buy? I don't know. I'm gonna probably have to just close this shit. I don't want to stop trading, but like I have to like stop trading at some point in the day. Not really stop trading, but like I can't try and trade everything. That's the problem. A lot of people will have. Well, I guess that's a little trough. It's a little dip. I don't know what I'm even waiting for. I guess I'm waiting for it to come back down to this level at least. Wait, that could be. Yeah. So look, imagine 1, 2, 3, and that be 4. This is 4 right now. Imagine that. That's what I'm going with. One, two, three, four. Step four came all the way up to here, which I guess is normal. Yeah, the 786 about right. Just the moment I close my trades, it just bounces, or it dumps. Like it just, yeah. Looks like it was actually a peak, so that sucks. That sucks a lot. T minus 1 minute. They're probably like, what the fuck? He did say it was a harmonic buy. A buy harmonic there. I wouldn't put a ton of faith in it, but confirmation. Like this thing, all I need it to do is just squirt down like that. After like it runs up, one, two, six candles, one, two, three, four. The one, two, three candles up, one candle down. They probably have one more green candle or white candle. Damn, I lined everything up for a peak because it really could do something like that, like how I had charted it. Like it is very bullish. Like I ain't gonna lie, this is somewhat bullish. But now we come back to test this right here, and actually we're doing it right now. Yeah, I thought this mega structure was gonna be OP. OP. Well, also like the trough could be here because different time frames are different times. Like this is a little bit more kind of past. This one's more like 8:15. Yeah, I shouldn't really be trading like big time frames. This one's like 8:45. The mega structure failed us. Yeah, I'm just using too small of a time frame. Now this is what from this trough to right here kind of failed right there. It actually bounced up. But actually, this is the one we need to be looking at because this is the 4 hour, and that's tomorrow though. So sadly, but look, we can still dump. Ah, this sucks. All my profit got wiped. So I was at like 13. So I had, I had almost this halfway done. I had almost done. All right, we got another minute. Oh, here we go. So really, it could just go. You plummet now. I really want to see this thing fall. Here we go. I'm probably at like 1,300, 1,000. There we go. All right, we're touched up on that trend line like I was thinking. Damn, I was actually at 104,000 because I hit 2,000 profit at one point, which is wild because that's 40% done with the account. Absolutely wild. Yeah, this is like the main area we need to be looking at. This is the higher time frames. In the higher time frame, we could have this much time range. 3 days. Yeah, so we're. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now you can hear all the surroundings and the sides, but not the front. I don't know. This one's kind of weird. Now this is just like the front portion of the mic. I don't know. What am I doing? What am I doing? Before let's check the daily. Let's check the daily. Honestly, daily is like super duper. Like it wants to look like it just go back up, but then we could just bleed. Like we could do something like this. Oh, you think it's gonna bounce and then just fart down, which could just happen. Wow. Man, my eyes hurt. I got 2 hours of sleep last night. Oh, did I ever reset that fib? I fucked up. Wow. This is probably just a B wave. So within this structure, we can see one, two, three, four, and maybe five. I don't know. I should have hedged my position. I was in when I'm in big profit like that. Next time I'm gonna learn to hedge. But then I risk losing all the like half the profit if it just dumps. We're approaching 3 hours, man. 3 hours you've been with me in Moldy Lunchbox. That's awesome. And that's about as long as the last stream yesterday. That's probably as long as I might keep this one. I'm not too sure. I might wait till I close the profits because I want people to see me closing them and see what actually happens at the end. Don't leave no one hanging. This this is being booty right now. This could have already been like this. This could have been it, but I doubt it. Oh yeah, because look, it went higher than that. I was like, that's crazy if it's at that price. One bullish divergence. We got another hour on that candle. Another 37 minutes. Okay, that's a bearish divergence. It looks like we could dump. Look how smooth that is. "45-minute buy signal was pretty on point. It looks like it's going up. Or it's actually coming back down. I'll do some peekaboo. Oh, we're in that profit. Scam these people. Pretty funny. That's my friend Nolan over there. But look at the art over there. Like in the wall. That's pretty cool stuff. Yeah, everyone's just having a good time chilling. Get that Tides Tea House picture. Get my hair a little fixed. Oh, I'm getting tired of the trade. This is a long trade. Take your profit when you can. There's a person right there. This is actually a pretty decent camera for like 50 bucks I paid for it. Oh. About something like this. Oh yeah. Alright, I mean it's bouncing a little bit. It's pretty sharp. Yeah, I think it is pretty sharp. It's better than my phone camera. It's pretty funny. Like this was like $50 camera, I think. Pull up Amazon. Oh, a Logitech 922X Pro. Let's see what that is. I bet it's like 150. 150. That's gas. $79? What? Oh, but my camera's 4K. That's what mine says. But some people say it just look. That's a $39 4K cam. That's a $75. I'll show you mine. Damn, I didn't see any of these. I would have gotten a Logitech, or I would not have gotten something like that. Originally, I had bought the cam because it came with a mic, built-in mic. This is what I have. Damn, it's 55. I think I paid 55 bucks for it. I have the little astrology on it. It's a 4K. Oh, it's a Sony sensor. It might just be a Sony sensor. That'd be stupid. But looking at the chart, still up at $800. Let's go check out the other charts. Let's pull this back up. Oh boy, this is not that much of a mess once you zoom in. This really could be wave 4. We came up to the 786. Yeah, we're bouncing back on this. Hopefully it breaks. We're bouncing on this trend line. We just broke the trend line. We're in 1,000 profit. We were in like 2,000 profit down there. Oh wait, I gotta adjust this so it's not super loud for you guys. My bad, I didn't realize. So let's go check it out. So it just gapped down a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. Cycles might not be wrong. They're just off for the time frame. So this is how it's kind of looking at that. I like how that goes up and down. Let's see where we're at. Probably like 1,300 again. Nah, it just wicked below the thin. So let's check out the 4 hour again because that's pretty key. So there's like kind of a trough right there. It should have happened there. We had another little peak around here, and then the next trough is pretty much. It could be tomorrow. Not too sure. There's a lot of variables. So let's check out some of this and a bigger move after the week closes. So if anyone was looking at this, this was actually a pretty good entry right here on the harmonic pattern. Looking at this, around this area is about 37,000. Looking at some of that. I want to check my other chart. Let's go check that out real quick. I don't even use this chart anymore. I want to see what this one's about. Yeah, this one's a lot more tame actually. These are some other cycles I have, so that was pretty accurate. I haven't touched these in a little bit. So we have another one coming up. This is the 4 hour. Look at the 30-minute. So it's pretty bearish right now. We're expecting to go to about 30, 30, 30, not 35. Like, we're actually in this area. Trying to figure out where we're at. Like 38.5. Pretty reasonable area. That's what we're looking at. But also, I think it could be something like this. So this could be a B wave, and a B wave is just 1, 2, 3, and then it's down. But this also looks like it could be on wave 4, if that makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna go ask my buddies what they think about this. Let's go see what they think about it. Oh, let's see what that time frame was. 30-minute. They don't want to see a fucking 30-minute. But actually, we just opened another 30-minute candle, and this thing's dumping. This thing's dumping. But I mean that is possible. We are on a trend, kind of like. I'm not too sure. Man, no one sticks around. I don't get it. I don't get why no one sticks around. Makes no sense, man. Oh, and does my like voice to like my mouth, like the audio to the video, match up at all? So we broke that trend. We had 1, 2. This is really unpredictable right now. I mean, we already set the analysis. Analysis is set. We're holding till it freaking dumps. Holding till it dumps. Yeah, 100% zinc. Awesome. I had to set up some settings and Like no lag whatsoever. Oh, you're capping. You definitely capping. No lag whatsoever. But like I had set it up pretty well on the studio. This is why I do. I would do some like audio. I don't even know what I did. Honestly, if this plays, I could get this to play. This is a song I made. Let's listen. It's kinda alright.
Flying through the night sky, wishing you were still mine. Didn't mean to fuck up, baby, let me make it up. Thinking got me staying up, sleepless nights, flying through the nighttime. Let me show you good time. Take you on a trip through my timeline, flying through the night sky, wishing you were still mine. Didn't mean to fuck up, baby, let me make it up. Back through time, just focus on my grind. Leave that boy here, waste of time. I'll be on your side. Do you want it? I couldn't love the same since you left my side. Flying through the nighttime, wishing you were still mine. Just need you back by my side, you're my lifeline. Come back one time, need you back for life. Are you ready to ride all this pain in my eyes? Can't think straight without you by my side. Flying through the night sky, wishing you're still mine. Didn't mean to fuck up, baby, let me make it up. Sipping on this cup, got me staying fucked up. Thinking about the past, I can't make up.
Really? Still playing a little bit.
Take you on a trip through my timeline, flying through the night sky, wishing you were still mine. Didn't mean to fuck up, baby, let me make it up. Back through time, just focus on my grind. Leave that boy here, waste of time. I'll be on your side. Do you want it? I couldn't love the same since you left my side. Flying through the nighttime, wishing you were still mine. Just need
Hey, yeah, I should. So right now it's tanking. I'm up 1600, 1700. Oh, this she's dumping. She's dumping. Let's see what's going on in this chart. Let's get to my live streaming chart. Oh, that 30-minute candle is nasty. Freaking nasty, dude. Oh, here we go. This is another trough. Oh, this is like the major trough. Like this big trough right here is crazy. Dude, that's gonna be making some money, boy. Oh my god, dude, this thing's just freaking printing money. Alright, alright, should I buy some lots? Alright. Oh my god, you think I should? I mean, there's a sell signal on the 1 minute. We gotta respect signal. Gotta respect the signal. Alright, we're up 1700. Honestly, I think it's gonna have some retracement. But I'll have this stop loss like right. And that's a $200 stop loss. I'm actually in profit on that buy. No, I'm not. Now I'm in profit on that buy. Snagged that $100 profit. I probably should have held that profit more for a hedge. I might just screwed myself by not holding that. Damn, that was probably like a $300 profit right there. But watch it just come right back down. Ah, damn. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy I got out with that execution. Do you see how crazy they're probably going wild right now? Minus 1 minute. Damn, that hedge would have been nice to hold. Actually, I get it bit going. I get it bit going. Now it's gonna dump. This could be an ascending triangle. Like it's already. This is when you gotta use that 30 second. Damn, that 30 second pumping, bro. That buy would have been up like 400 right there. Not even gonna cap. I feel like I'm getting nowhere with progress right now, but it's only because it's trading sideways. But that was a pretty sniper entry on the bottom that we had just closed. We have some shorts at the top. Let's check out the 1 minute real quick. Currently, we had that pretty much timed, and then we have another peak coming around. We had broke the 382, but we rejected off the 786. Now we just dumped. Yeah, that was pretty good. I closed that buy position. I mean, I could have held it for another minute, but it's just you never know. Like we had 1, 2, 3 candles up. Now we're gonna have at least 1 to 3 candles down, up to 6 to 9 candles down. So currently up 1600, 1600, which isn't too bad right now. 1700. Alright, it's broken below the previous low. Kind of. Oh, here we go. This is some profit right now. Thank you for whoever's watching. Let's set up a. I actually want to set up a Fibonacci circle right now. Now, how am I gonna set it up? Trying to see how it acted. Oh yeah, look at this. Shit, crazy, dude. Absolutely gnarly. 23, $2,400, 25, 26, 25. Do I hedge right now? Do I hedge? Yeah, I hedge. That's 3 down. The next candle could be up. Dude, that's freaking wild. Alright, that hedge is working out pretty nice. And profit on that buy. That hedge went perfect. Wait, let's see what the. We got 10 more seconds on this candle before maybe a bounce. So we have 3 candles down. We could have 6 candles down to 9 candles down, just based off of these certain fundamentals. I forget what it's called, but all right. And it looks like we're gonna have the 9 candles down. So 6 candles down. Or no, this was it. This is the hedge right here. At least come back up to here so I could snag the $90 back that I had lost. Then with some 8 lots. Pretty wild right now. Alright, it's bounced. See, I'm not good at hedging. Like, I damn near lose more money than I make. Damn, we're 50% up almost for the day. I mean, not for the day, but for the account. Like, not 50%, but 50% for the target of $10,000, which is absolutely insane. Freaking wild. So I have 8 lots, 8 sells, 8 buys. Did we hit that target? I think we did. So, yeah, this was 1, 2, 3, 4. We've hit that 0.618, almost a 2. Alright, we're gonna wait till the third candle opens. Really like doing these candle openings because so we had 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, and generally 3 up to 6 up to 9 up. Just oh, it's TDM sequential. That's what it's called. TD sequential. Okay, yeah, it has it. 3, 4, but it's not counting it right. It's kind of those as downs. I'm confused on what I should do. I'm in a weird point. I'm in a very strange. I was about to close it. I don't want to close at a loss though. I'd rather hold the hedge than close the buy at a loss. Hi, how you doing, Tide? Chilling. What happened to your ribs though? What happened to your ribs though? From what though? Kickball? How's that happen? Jeez. All right. I don't care. Either way, we're at 44% of the target, dude. I'm killing this challenge. I just can't be stupid. Please, stupid. Oh, there we go. It's loaded. See, that's not a bad thing. Max daily loss. I've only risked 1%. Profit target 44. Oh man, yeah. I'd be up a whole nother $372 right now, which would put me at. Yeah, this is wild. Absolutely wild. Only a 64% win rate. That's kind of shitty to me. But what happened was there was a lot of these. Uh, the first trading day I fucked up. I was buying all these positions. Like I had sells. I don't think this. I had like shorted the top on something and then literally kept buying it. So 1, 2. So these are TDN sequential. This one doesn't look. I don't like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's probably gonna go to 9. This was probably stupid buying that long position unless I had closed it immediately. So that's a little double bottom on the 1 minute. All right, we're having a bullish divergence on the candle. If this holds right here, I don't even rely on 1 minute. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, it's gonna hit 9 candles. That's crazy. Freaking crazy. I just missed out a whole nother 1,000. Fucking, that's upsetting now. I'd probably be at 6K right now. And why not trade on it really quick? Alright, stop here, I'll show you. So to get the real account, you have to pass the challenge. If that makes sense. So you can get funded up to 200,000. And actually, I was pretty stupid to get out because now this is the 9th sequential. It's gonna have to have some type of movement back up. I pretty much ruined myself. So this is pretty much a real count. So I just saw some info, but it don't matter. So this is a $10,000 one, I think, for that. I want to see if I can show you. Yeah, I fucked up by closing that. I would literally be at like 106,000. Um, so you pass a real challenge. You pass a challenge. You have to make 10% on. So what happens is you have to make 10% with a max daily loss of 5% and a max total loss of 10%. So you have to manage to make 10% total within 30 days. And then after that, you get funded whatever account that you bought. Balance 103, 101. So, Forex traders. So, this is it. The FTMO challenge is the first step of the evaluation process. You need to succeed here to advance into the verification stage. Prove your trading skills and discipline and observing the trading objectives. Verification. Verification is the second and the last step towards becoming the FTMO trader. Once you pass the verification stage and your results are verified, you will be offered to trade for our prosperity trading firm, FTMO Trader. You are becoming a trader of the FTMO prosperity trading firm. Trade responsibly and consistently and receive up to 90% of your profits. If you consistently generate profits on your FTMO, we can scale your account according to our scaling plan. So that's really nice. And then know your trading objectives. So we're on $100,000 objective. So what is this one? I think this is. Yeah, I'm absolutely freaking killing the market right now. My friend's probably. Shit, I should really be looking at. 1 second. So we've hit my target area of the wave one is a little bit lower though, I think. Damn, we're gonna have a bounce here. 38.82. We very well could have a bounce. I kind of want to hedge again, just in case. But I probably lose another $400 profit. Let's see. That would make me lose another $400 worth of profit. That would suck, but I did it. So I'm really trying to get this. So they fund your account for you when you pass all the steps. Yeah, so you have 30 days for this. This is step one. You have 30 days. The minimum is 10 days. The minimum is 10 days. The max daily loss, the max I'm allowed to be down is 5,000, plus or minus whatever I've already lost for the day. The maximum total loss is 10,000. So you can only lose 5% in one day, 10% total. The profit target is 10,000, which is only $10. And then after you pass this, you get to step two. You have 60 days. 60 days to make half of what you had to make the first challenge, the first part. Damn, that sucks. I got rid of that. Bye. So you only have to make 5% rather than the first 10%. And you still have the same max daily loss and the same maximum loss. And so yes, they fund your account when you pass everything. And they have some free trials. Have you done Forex before? Oh man, that sucks. I didn't hold that bot. I'm just too jittery. I think. I don't know. But that's 3. It could drop right here. You can easily see though that 5 wave came down. So now this could be the bouncing wave. I don't know. I don't want to buy another lot. Someone post a chart. I'm not in front of the computer. Fuck. Just give him an old chart. Just make it all crazy. Just make the chart super crazy. He actually hit that target I had set right here. Dude, he's probably fucking freaking out right now. I need to help my friend out. Help him out. Help him out. He's just so slow. Let's get this bit loaded. Let's send him a chart. 152. Okay, I did it within 1 minute. Where is that chart? Screenshot. Yeah, I think this is it. Hopefully he's short still. Cause this bit is. Oh, you know what this is? You know what this reminds me of? A bearish pennant or a descending triangle. It's a bit crazy. Dude, my smile just been getting bigger and bigger. What the fuck happened? Oh. Someone post a chart. I'm not. Dude, my bro posted a chart. He just can't read a fucking high time frame chart. What? Oh, dude, this was money. If I hadn't bought a single, dude, whenever I hedge is whenever I lose the most. Like these would actually hit $200 profits, and I just fucked it up. I'm still up like 34% for the count. 1,000. Oh damn! I forgot I took 1,000 on that. Damn, that buy would have been nice though. Damn. Damn. This thing's gotta be short-lived though. Post a better chart. Most of that chart is empty. Yeah. He probably doesn't care too much. Alright, this is gonna be a better one for him. Oh, he said, bro, I can't do that. And look at KT4, MT4. I think it's back testing that trend. Oh, he wants to probably see his. God, this sucks, man. He probably wants to see this chart. I'm rushing because he's stressing. it nice and slow. Gotta get my profits. Always. Da, 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 da. Oh, I can't. He said, but I can't do that. Man, that hedge would have been nice. Actually, would have been a good hedge. So now this looks like an ascending triangle. It's breaking up. Damn. So these are my recent trades. 29. These were all my hedges. My hedges never work. That worked, so that canceled out. So that's 1100. That's $1,400 right there. So 1,400. All right. Oh, you can be a. Oh yeah, now you're a moderator. I didn't know how to do that. It's cool. So this was a little minor peep. What did I just do? It looks a whole lot nicer. What did I click? Yeah, that was my take profit. Like that was my first take profit. That was my second take profit. I'm still in the range I was looking for. I wouldn't be too upset. All this profit, look, 4 minutes worth of profit gains get gone in one candlestick. So it's pretty nice. So yeah, I messed that up. Let's check this. So this was my ongoing. Did I close these trades or something? Oh yeah. So I pulled about 27 on this account in 2 days, and then I just went all in on one trade and just closed the account. If I had passed it, my run rate was 91. It said. I don't care. Well, I must have closed those trades, but all those trades were pretty. This was a demo account. You have to. Hey, but Moldy Lunchbox, if you want to do FTMO, download MetaTrader. Hugo's way works too. And then, so to log in, they'll give you credentials. You hit log into trade account, and then you log in. The TD is sequential. This third candle should be down. Metrics. Damn, that was a hard dip. I guess I'm still where I was at, 2,600. Oh yeah, because if I think about it, well, my equity's right here. My equity doesn't change due to the hedge. I did accumulated loss. I've only lost a max of 1,000. Economic calendar. That sounds actually a good thing. Economic calendar. I'm gonna try and get out of this trade after this drop. Yeah, definitely try it out. Go play with the demo accounts and with a lot size. Now you won't have a trading manager or a fib fan. I wish I could try and send these to you, but I don't know how, and I can't really because you're my friends. Well, this is just a fib fan that you could usually put. I'm posting these smaller time frame charts, and then this guy's like, "Here you go." Hopefully this helps. Why is there a wrench next to my username? He's like, "Oh, I'm a mod. Cool." Yeah, I made you a moderator. Pretty lit, huh? Ah, this sucks, man. Damn, that long entry was fire. Yeah, remember earlier in the video I was like, it's gonna go boom, boom. It looks like the cycle has hit the bottom. It looks like it was just shifted off a little bit. Unless this is an AB wave. Yeah, someone joins the chat. They're like, "What the fuck? What's going on?" But hopefully it comes back down because I'm trying to get out. I'm only up 25 right now. So this actually looks like it could be an ascending triangle. Here's me a little bit. So this is how I'm looking at it. Like that. Yeah, man, you enjoy. Thanks for sticking around. Back testing what? Try and see. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Alright, everybody, so I'm gonna close these positions, I guess. What's 1500 for the day? I can't be too upset. At least start closing some of them. Yeah, let me finish closing some of them. Let's actually close them on the chop. Because right now it's a little bit of a peak. I'm gonna go grab some food. Been a tiring day. What's required? I'm the only person watching anyways. I'm questioning about closing my trade so I could go get some food, but I don't want to deal with watching them while I'm eating. But I definitely think I could leave something open. Like at least a 0.5. Give it another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll wait till I get to 104. Call it at 104. I think that's still 103,000. That might be getting too Alright, I closed for the day. That's the Nutella? What's the one she that she was like just traditional? Alright, I'm completely out. That's 103,800 and closed. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give a like and follow and subscribe.